So is this your first time cooking this?
Oh shit, yeah, I forgot about the meat. Already shredded the cheese. His grandma made salsa, so that's what we're gonna eat. The chile.
And then I got her this yesterday.
Oh yeah, the flowers. I put them in a vase with water. Excuse my face, I don't have makeup. And I have a big old pimple on
Guys,
my...
comment down below if Jessica looks good without makeup. I think she does.
Oh my god. Just drink it. Just try it.
Yeah, it's good. I don't know. It tastes different.
Because it's not milk. I'm using water for it.
Oh yeah, that's probably why.
Like, obviously, it's not gonna taste like authentic.
You know what it tastes like? The juice from what is it called when you make that rice?
Arroz con leche?
Yeah, you know when you drink that milk after?
Yeah.
That's what it tastes like.
What's good, everybody? Welcome back to another video with Jess and Jess. So in today's video, someone sent us a package, and it's like treats all around the world. And basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be trying them. And then we have Jesse's little brother in the back, Joseph.
We don't know where it's from, we don't know, but let's see. You ready?
Mind you, we haven't even like...
Open this.
Let's read what it says. Dear Jess and Jess, thank you for accepting this box, international snacks from TRYTREATS.com. Our code is Jess and Jess, and if y'all guys use this code, y'all get 15% off y'all guys' purchase.
Everything will be in the description down below. Use code Jess and Jess to get 15% off your first box. Where's this from? What flag is that?
Isn't that Japan?
Yeah, it looks like Japan.
South Korea?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, it's probably like South Korea or something.
Alright, let's see. Seal from South Korea.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
South Korea.
Welcome to South Korea.
Oh, that's cool.
Ooh.
Look how pretty it looks. We should go one day.
Yeah, we should.
Margaret Cookie by Lot.
Smells good.
Smells
like
decent.
Smells like those buttery ones, whatever.
Yeah.
Mmm.
Give this one a good
I'll give it a 7 out of 10.
8. Solid 8.
I would give it a 6 out of 10.
7.
So 7's like in the middle.
It needs something. It's like too dry.
Yeah, it is. Kind of. Moncher Cocoa. I'm sorry I can't pronounce any of this right.
So this is how the packaging looks like, and we're gonna try it.
I'll take a bite and then you take a bite.
All
I
right.
don't think I'm gonna eat this whole thing.
Oh shoot.
Bro,
It's good?
it tastes like a
Zebra cake.
no, it tastes like a
Like a s'more?
s'more / cake.
Oh yeah.
Mmm.
Like a cake s'more.
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
8 out of 10. Just because I don't really like chocolate. But it's good. Next one, Choco Pie by Lot. Looks like a Krabby Patty.
It's like marshmallow.
Mm-hmm.
Choco pie.
It's like fluffy.
I'm not a fan of marshmallows inside of stuff. So I'm gonna give this one a good 6.
I'm gonna give it a 5.
6.
Concho Choco Biscuit. This is how it looks like. Oh, it's like little cookies and that have chocolate inside. Mmm. Mmm. These are so good.
That's like a good like snack.
Yeah.
They taste like a chocolate chip cookie.
Yeah, but like more smaller. And like it feels like
Like
the
the
cookies
mini
inside.
size?
Like this mini Chips Ahoy.
9 out of 10.
8.
And Waffle Mate. They're good. This will go good with coffee in the morning.
They were. That does sound like it would be like in hot chocolate or something.
I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10.
8, yeah.
Yeah.
Harvest Cookie. Mmm. They taste thin to me. And they're really thin. Toasted sweet weed.
Toasted sweet what?
Seaweed. Alright guys, so Jesse and my little brother wanted to do their...
Look. You have a choice to eat.
Oh my.
Onion?
There was hiking no onion in there.
Or garlic.
Tell me what my dumbass was about to say. Isn't that the same thing?
I knew you were.
Bro, tell me why Jesse said I'm a vampire, I can't eat garlic.
Alright, how about this? How about we just roll a dice again? And whatever number it lands on, only the loser has to do it.
Alright.
That's good, right?
That's y'all.
I was rolling it.
You roll it but you have to throw it in the air and stuff.
We got the
Alright,
dice.
so you choose. Even or odd, who's who?
You're odd, he's even. No, you're even, he's odd.
Alright, so if it lands on even, I have to do whatever you say. If it lands on odd, you have to do whatever I say. Wait, who's I'm even, right?
Yeah.
That's odd. You have to say me. You have to even
Wait.
He's all dancing.
Wait, no, you said. Wait, I'm even. You're odd.
I'm even.
No, I'm even.
Right? You told me that I was even.
Yeah.
Alright, do it again.
Nah.
I have the video. We can replay it. Guys,
Just do it again.
so we rewatched the video. Okay, I'll do it again.
What?
The third time.
This is rigged. Bro,
Wait,
cheaters never
wait.
lose.
You need to say who won.
Cheaters never lose. That's still odd. That's still
Yeah.
odd.
Wait, but you never said who was even or odd.
It's still the same thing.
No, you gotta say it.
No,
Jess,
Eric,
you're cheating.
you're cheating. Go eat.
Say
Go eat it.
No, say it.
Go eat
Just
it.
say even or odd.
You're odd. He's even.
Okay.
He said I'm. It's rigged. He kicked it.
Hey, man.
Wait, what was I? Even?
No, you're odd.
It landed on odd.
I was odd.
So he lost.
Yeah.
I was
Oh
odd.
my god! Finally.
Yeah. Alright, I'll let you slide next one. I'll let you finish.
This is only one time play.
We have 3 rounds.
Since when?
Replay it, bro. We have 3 rounds. You said 3 rounds.
And you've been 4.
It's 3 rounds.
You said 3 rounds.
Hurry up.
When you bite it, like all the juice goes everywhere.
The pepper fell. You say it, go.
Oh, I know that's spicy.
How we feeling?
It is spicy. It is. Alright guys, so we ended up not doing those other 2 rounds. We just kept it like that because, you know, it was just doing too much and her little brother was like hurting. So we just ended that. And that pretty much concludes today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all comment. Make sure y'all follow us on our Instagram, Vampthekid.
Bbg.Jesicaaa.
And y'all just keep supporting your boy and girl, you know what I'm saying? And we'll be back with another video.
Peace.
Hello.